Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This is another process video for Scrap Madness, where it's a video a day, and this is going to be my design scene layout for the Confessions of the Paper Addict Cut File Shop. And I am going to use the triangle background. Now, I am going to make this a simple background because the two pictures that I really have in here, I'll explain a little bit later on why I wanted to do this. And I wanted to keep it semi-masculine because of who the sculpture is of and what it is. So I kind of kept it with the blues, and this really sticks out. You can see how to use this. I absolutely love how this works. I love the triangle for a boyish layout with the amount of paste and stuff that I use. And this is a pasties. It's called Boy Blue, and I do not think it's available in the Shimmers shop, so this is kind of from my stash. And I just wanted to cut this out and do it one time. Now, I do know that I could definitely wait for this to dry and then do another set, but I wanted to leave it the way it is. And I am using the Hip Kit February kit, and I just loved how that turned out. And it's just simple, but it's perfect for these particular photos. And I am now going to use my paper collection, and I'm just going to back it up, and you'll literally see me do almost all of this without being on my paper because I'm doing it so that it can dry. I had to do it that way so that it could be able to dry and whatnot. So ultimately you'll see me literally put all of this together into a big thing, and then I put it onto the background paper because it needed to finally dry. This one is called the triangle background, and it's just a bunch of triangles. It's so simple, but for this, it works out perfect. Now, the two photos that I have as you're watching me do this, it is the theater of that, I can't remember how to say it. It's part of Athens. It's right down from the pavilion in Athens, and it was one of, I could never even say him in high school either, but I loved what he did for the theater for the Greek mythology. It was wonderful. It was perfect. I absolutely loved how it, like how he was in history and that ultimately that kind of stuff. And so it was, when I get to Zeus, you guys will understand my faith and the Greek mythology way more than you probably ever wanted to know. But I absolutely loved Greek mythology. It is one of my go-tos. I read a lot about it. If any author that reads or that writes about the Greek mythology, whether it's true or historically fiction or just plain old fiction, and they bring in, it's my favorite. My son, if it would have been my way, or if my daughter would have been a son, it would have been after one of the Greek mythologists. I would have been, essentially, that would have been his name. So ultimately, Greek mythology is huge for me. So when I was able to touch ground, literally touch the ground where they used to walk on, was just so poetic for me and just so surreal, because I've always talked about, if I ever have a chance to go over, I am going to do, I am going to go walk, to all of this stuff. And that's exactly what I did when we went to Greece. So I am now putting all these papers together. You will see that I take little bits of sizes off just so that I can get a little bit of dimension to this, and trying to move it around and make it all work while my paper is drying. Now, normally I don't go this late into a video and be or this late in a day or evening to be able to do it. I just miscalculated when I was doing up my layouts and forgot about the 3rd of March for Scrap Madness. How I forgot the 3rd of March, I'm not sure, because I have the 5th, the 6th, and the 7th already planned out already for me to be able to work on the 9th, the 10th, and so forth and so on. And I'm like, how did I miss the 3rd? And then I realized that it's a design team as well. So this was like, I was like, oh, I got to get this. I mean, I still took my time. Obviously, this took me about an hour to do anyway. But I was like, really? I could have like had this done over the weekend and not have been, not like stressing, because I don't stress about any of this because I love to do this. But I'm like, it would have been done, right? So I could have had all my videos done this week and just kept going, because I always like to work a week ahead. I try not to go too far out, because then I forget what I scrapbooked, and then it just, you know, makes it even that much harder for me to do a voiceover because I don't know what I'm doing. But make sure that you go check out the Confessions of the Paper Addict cut file shop. Obviously, release 2 will be up this week as well, because there is going to be 4 releases for the month of March, because it is her birthday month for Confessions of the Paper Addict cut file shop. And then also, on top of all of that, make sure that you go check out all of the challenges that we are doing. Each design team is doing a challenge, and mine is picking something. So it's something old, something new, and then something purple. It's kind of like that saying of like when you get married, you know, you always like on your wedding day or whatever, you're supposed to wear something old, something new, and then something blue. I decided to change the color up and make it purple. I love doing this challenge. It is so much fun. Ooh, excuse me. Sorry about that. And I am going to do it as well. It'll be one of my design team layouts as well. There will be lives going on for the month of March as well. And then all of that, all of the new releases, all of the challenge, every design team has one. So you've got to check out the link down below with to the Facebook group, because that's where you're going to find there is a special. She is doing like specials throughout the month of getting the cut files cheaper, you know, because it's a sale or any of that sort. So make sure you go check out all of that. Obviously, I will link everything down below, including this cut file and to the shop, along with the group. Then on top of it, just a little bit of a side note, obviously you're going to get 2 of us, because one of the Scrappy sisters is also on the odd days. So you will see her have one of the ladies have a layout, as well as check out Laura as well, because Laura's on the even days, I'm on the odd days, and then one of the Scrappy sisters is with me on the odd days, and then the other one is even on with Laura. So make sure you go check out all of them as well, because we're doing a video a day. Now, we're only doing 15 videos, but there's essentially a video a day between the 4 of us. We wanted to change it up, and I think it worked out absolutely positively perfect. I just loved how we all fit and we talk, and it's so much fun to do. Now I'm into the embellishments. Now the embellishments I think kind of light. I do decide, after looking at it, I kept looking at this page and I'm like, I need to do something. So I did do a black background. I cut a little bit off, and you will see it in the still shots. Along with, I was like, you know what? I'm going to add a little bit more to the diamonds, and I add enamel dots, or the triangles, because I forgot about adding the enamel dots. I was going to do that, and then for some reason I forgot to do that on camera. Why, I don't know. But that'll be added as well. And then I did do some little doodling around the edges after I put the black paper on the back. So make sure that you do stay till the end to see those off-camera decisions that I happen to make. Now, I did find this frame that I absolutely love, just to add around that, just to give it a little bit of something more. And then I add a few more touches, and then I'm pretty much done. Now, this is getting close to the end, and you'll see exactly what I do. I do make my title called Grateful, because I felt that it was grateful to be able to go on this trip with the girls, and then also just to see my history, you know, like what I followed in history class. When I had to take my theater and my Greek mythology class for college, when we went to Greek, oh my gosh, like I was, to the die for. So I just loved it, loved it, and it just made me even much more into the Greek mythology. So here I am. You will see me Fix grateful. I do add in the still shots, you'll see that I added some lines. You may not be able to see it on here, but in real life you do actually see the word grateful, and it stands out really well. So here are the still shots. They are definitely coming up. I hope that you subscribe to my channel. I am super duper close to my 2,000 subscriber giveaway. I would love to have you part of my family. I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.